Hi YouTube. I'm going to do a quick lesson on this song called Better Off Alone. It's originally done by Alice DJ, and then Purity Ring has a big video where they do a cover, and the main singer of Purity Ring is doing all the dance moves from the original video. Pretty cool. With an alien instead of a supermodel. This sounds pretty good for without using a capo. We start out in E, just playing an E power chord at the 7th and 9th on the A and D strings. So to kind of get the sound of the some of the melody notes, we're going to slide that down to an E flat. So we'll just be at the 6 and 8 now instead of the 7 and 9. You can even slide into the first part. So kind of sliding back and forth between these positions, which are only 1 fret apart. E flat. All right. Then for the second part of the song, or the riff, it goes to G sharp. So we're playing G sharp at the 4th fret on the low E and the 6th fret on the A. And this time we're going to slide down 1 whole step. So we're going to play the low E string at the 2nd fret and the A string at the 4th. So we start out on the 4th, and we do a slide up into the to the 4th again from the F sharp. And that kind of allows us to kind of emulate the keyboards a little. Think you're better off alone? Do you think you're better off alone? Talk to me, ooh, talk to me. So there you go, E flat, G sharp, F sharp. That's the whole song. All right, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.